Okay, continuing this video using this. I'm gonna resaturate it, make sure I'm not going on dry, because this is the second to the last step. And as I'm going, it's like finer and finer grit. So taking off less and less material as I go. And when I do this, it should be pretty clear. Now from here, it's already pretty decent. But once I take that off and put on this disc, take this and put about a dime of solution on there. And a dime looks about like that, I guess. Smush it against it. I don't think this battery's any good. It's like 10-year-old batteries, but I think I need to swap out with a new battery. It's going a little bit slow for my taste. I'll be right back. Kind of hard to get all the way into this corner because of the way my headlight is shaped, but I'm not going to cry about it. And that's my final result, which is pretty darn good. I think this one I took about 15 minutes to do. The other one I took 30 minutes to do because I was going slowly and trying to learn the method for going across. And this one, you see when the sun is hitting it from this side, it's pretty clean. This one, since I rush jobbed it, it's not as clean, but you see the general process, plus the light's not hitting it. Maybe it is just as clean. But yeah, I mean, it's a difference between, I mean, they're still both pretty good. The sun's not hitting it directly, so you don't see it as clear. But nice results. After this, you just take off the masking tape and wash the car with the car wash soap. Okay, thank you for watching.